Cameron here with the pizza hookup.
Yep.
Pizza hookup from Cameron.
But my Jeep is missing.
You'll see that tomorrow. So we just got the pizza hookup from Cameron, who you'll see his JK hopefully in a video tomorrow. Right now we've caught word of a little car get-together going on right up the road here. Mostly imports, so we're gonna roll up, me and Kevin are gonna roll up in the JKs and see how much crap gets said to us. Turbo noises! You can see we got Kevin in front of me. The meat's apparently behind this Taco Mac up here. We're about 20 minutes early, so I don't think there's gonna be too many people here yet. Hopefully there's not just imports. I mean, I don't dislike imports, but I'm more of an American car guy. Lots of BMWs, it looks like. Hey. Kevin's passenger seat makes a really great pizza holder.
Especially when his manual was sliding around for 20 minutes.
Yeah.
He literally almost slid off the seat.
It would have knocked you out of gear. So it's the next day, guys, and I found Cameron, who is disconnecting his sway bar right now to try to do some flexy, sexy stuff. But check out his new lift. So y'all have seen Cameron's Jeep before, but he just picked it up today. We got a 6-inch rough country long arm, 37, 1350, 18 Toyo Open Country MTs on black Rhino wheels. He's got the Poison Spider inner fender flares, which I really dig. I like these things a lot. Gotta get these for mine. And then he also got an exhaust, but check this out. Hey Cameron, your exhaust is melting your bumper.
I know.
So Cameron right now is getting extremely close because he's gonna do some, oh, you almost hit the tire. Gonna do a little bit of photography. Could you have gotten any closer? Never mind. So I just want to make an observation. Your tires look a little bit bigger than mine.
They do. I never noticed that.
Cooper STTs versus Toyos.
Toyo Open Country.
Nah, they're about the same height.
Well, I wonder why the flash comes on.
Because it's probably set to on.
No, it's not. It comes on randomly.
So Cameron's fixed to test some of the suspension flex on his new lift kit. Oh, that didn't work at all. You turned my wheels. What'd you do that for? Oh, open diff.
You have one too.
Well, yeah, but I bet I could get mine up on yours.
Let me get it at a better angle. Let's see.
There we go.
That's full tuck. Goddamn.
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, and he started throwing donuts.
Well, we got a bit of an issue. I've broken the Jeep. Just to show you, the Jeep is running. And you can see I am struggling. Power steering is gone. If you have never driven a JK on 37s with no power steering, 0 out of 10. Do not recommend.